They call it the gateway to the world. But Hamburg is more than a city. It's a symbol of resilience, ambition, and rebirth. Welcome to Runyourpath, where ambition meets action. Destroyed not once, but twice, by fire and by war, Hamburg refused to surrender. Every time the city fell, its people rebuilt, stronger, smarter. They turned tragedy into trade, destruction into design, and pain into progress. Today, Hamburg stands as one of Europe's wealthiest cities, not because of luck, but because of mindset. The mindset that says, no matter how hard the storm hits, I will rise again. From the docks to the digital age, this city runs on courage, discipline, and vision. It's a reminder to all of us, success isn't about where you start, it's about how many times you stand up after you fall. Hamburg never waited for permission to rebuild, it simply did. So, when life hits hard, remember Hamburg, a city that turned its scars into strength and its history into hope. This is Hamburg,